Hey guys, what's up? It's been 2 weeks, I think, since the last time I posted my video on YouTube. So I just wanted to catch up with you and tell you everything's going great so far. My software, Soultrack, already published it. It's live. I connected the domain. It's ready to use. I'm going to start selling it. The only thing I'm right now waiting for is the bank account, and it's MHB. I'm waiting for it already for 2 weeks. I went today to give some documents, and they will update me with more information. And I hope I will soon get my bank account, as I will be able to accept payments, connect Stripe, do my software stuff, resell it, find people, do the ladder funnel, get clients coming in, just passive income completely. I will be able to be financially free, locationally free, and timely free. That's 3 things I need in my life, and I'm very in need of these 3 things. And it's just a wake-up call, and it could be also for you. You know, guys, you just have to work. If you don't put in the work right now, nothing's going to happen. Nothing's going to change. If you continue to procrastinate, nothing's going to happen. You constantly need to put in the work. You need constantly to throw shit at the wall and see which one sticks. That's what you need to do at the beginning. Whatever you try, you must try a lot of things. You must put in so much work, and only little of that will be the outcome. And when you get that first taste of success, you will be able to finally establish the thing that is yours, the thing that works for you perfectly, the thing that is there waiting for you to come and take it for yourself, for you to come and achieve it finally. That's what you need right now. You need to be laser focused, tunnel vision, laser focused on what you want to do with your life. And I can help you with that. There is this thing called it's SBA worksheet. I have done it. I made it like last year, and I put my goals from A to Z, what I want to accomplish, who I am, who I used to be last year, and how I see myself in 5 and 10 years. From 2023, 2024, 2025, and so on until 2030, yeah. And you need to see, and you need to make the plan. When you have the proper plan, you have a laser vision, you're focused on one thing and only one thing that you're best at. Whenever you're focused on the thing that you're the best at, you will become the master of your craft, and you will get rewarded. God will reward you, and people will pay you anything for you to come and solve that problem. There's like 2 ways. The first way is you find small problem, you solve it for a lot of people, and you get paid a little. And the other version is you find a huge problem that a very little amount of people need to be solved, but you get paid very largely because it's niche, because it's only one thing, it's not multiple things. That's why I focus on one thing only, and it has helped me so far. For example, I've been focusing on solar panel installation businesses, solar panel installation contractors generally, helping them with my software, giving them an AI assistant that can help them with everything on every single social media platform, in advertising to client follow-up and client retention. And yeah, and I'm also going to, after I post this video, I'm going to repost on my IG. After that, I'll post things about the software, and everything will be in one after each story. And yeah, it's been a hard 2 weeks and hard first month since I moved here to Budapest. But I will tell you this, everything happens for a reason. God has that plan for you. You just need to trust Him. and he will show you the way. You just need to put in the work. That's the only thing. You put in the work, trust God. He will show you, he will give you what you deserve. Because it's like, one person said, but I don't want to say it because it's very controversial. Most people don't like him. But he said, when you work so hard on this one thing, God is going to notice it and he's going to give it to you. Because he's like, oh, this guy is putting in so much work. He's working so hard. Let me just reward him. And he just give it to you. He will just give it to you. And yeah, it's so simple. Just matter of time. And even if you don't accomplish things in 2 or 3 years or as you planned, you will accomplish it a little later and you will get more than you were actually looking for. And the SBA worksheet that I'm going to upload right below this video, you can download it, you can plan it for yourself. Basically, in that worksheet, it goes to everything. How you see yourself in 5 to 10 years, who are you going to be, who you are right now, who you were, what you have accomplished in your life so far, and generally the entire overmap of how and what things you will accomplish, who will you become, what person generally will you be. And yeah, for example, right now I'm studying in university. I'm trying my best to work out, to do my software stuff, this personal brand thingy with YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. I upload on TikTok weekly, 2 times, 3 times, depends. And on YouTube, I try my best to upload every week, but just some stuff comes up in life and it's kind of hard, and ideas don't come up so easily and quickly to me, and I don't work with a script. I just put the camera and I just record and I say whatever I feel like saying. I say whatever I'm thinking of saying, and I think that generally is important. I will leave you here. Just do the work even if you don't feel like doing it.